How to prepare fried rice. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon butter or 1 tablespoon margarine. 2 eggs. Beaten. 1 tablespoon butter or 1 tablespoon margarine. 1/4 cup chopped onion. 1/4 cup chopped green pepper. Optional. 2 cups rice. Prepared and cooled. 1/2 cup cooked pork. Optional. Or 1/2 cup cooked shrimp. Optional. Or 1/2 cup cooked chicken. Optional. 1/4 cup soy sauce. 1/2 cup cooked peas. Optional. Method. Step 1. Melt 1 tablespoon butter in skillet or wok. Step 2. Scramble eggs in butter, breaking up the cooked eggs into small pieces. Step 3. Set aside. Step 4. Melt 1 tablespoon butter in skillet or wok. Step 5. Sauté onions and or green peppers in butter for 3 minutes. Step 6. Combine eggs, onions, rice, and meat. Step 7. Stir in soy sauce until color of rice is uniform. Step 8. Stir in peas. Step 9. Heat only until warm.